In the world of field service business, we understand the daily maintenance challenges faced by the service technicians. Managing schedules, paperwork, and resources used to be a complex task for the field service management company. So that we introduced the game-changing field service management software, Innomaint. With a few taps, the field service management company streamlined all maintenance schedules, reduced travel time, and supercharged their workforce productivity. Innomaint's geofencing system allowed to accept the service requests only to the nearest available technician. The field service management software collected valuable data and KPI metrics, empowering to make informed decisions on technicians' performance. Safety is paramount. Innomaint sends timely reminders, ensuring your team follows safety protocols. Your technicians receive praise and recognition through customer feedback for their exceptional service. Join us and revolutionize your field service management operations with Innomaint today.